Hi mommies, this is Tanya, Noor's mom. So today I am going to show all of you what toys you can buy for your 6 to 12 month old baby. So I'm going to be showing you all of Noor's toys that we introduced to her from 6 to 12 months. Most of them can be carried forward for a longer time, say around 1 or 2 years. So come and let's have a look. So the first set of toys that I'm going to be showing you are for 6 months plus. So all of these are basically crawling toys and they help your baby to try to start crawling or even scooting. So they have a very simple mechanism that they basically move across the floor, which encourages the baby to follow them. So if you give a lot of tummy time to your baby on the floor and you play these in front of them, there's a high chance that they might want to go and grab them. For example, so this is like my number one crawling toy from Skip Hop. So if you play this, it'll move across the floor like this and the baby will be excited to follow it. This is a non-musical toy. You just press it and it basically moves forward. This is from Fisher Price. This is another crawling toy from Fisher Price. You press it, there's music and the cat moves also. This is a hedgehog crawling toy. So this is my second recommendation because whenever the baby tries to come near it, it further starts moving about. So this is very attractive for the baby. This works on the same principle. This is from Fun School and these are some Hamleys cats and dogs. So they're very entertaining for the baby, not just for crawling but for playing also. So they move like this and this really engages the baby a lot. Another great toy that you can introduce at 6 months is this. This is the Little Tikes Activity Triangle. So this can help your baby to sit independently. Check my post separately on this because babies, this is quite sturdy, and babies when they hold it, they can get that balance and they learn balance. And apart from that, this can be used for a long time because it has a lot of activities on each side that make it very engaging for the baby and also helps in developing fine motor skills. So I highly recommend this toy also. The next toy, which I've spoken a lot about already, is the Fisher Price Play Gym. This can be used from 0 months plus right till 2 years or more. Initially it can be used by the baby to lie down here and just play with these toys. Later on, like till date, Noor plays with this piano. It's a great thing. If you switch it on, it has 3 levels and she loves to play with this. So you can remove the piano also separately and give it to an older baby. So the next category of toys are musical toys. So these are some plush toys. So you basically pull this like this and music plays. You can use them right from 0 month plus also. But later on, after 6 months plus, babies really like these because of the music. And around 8 months, they also start pulling these themselves, which is like a great activity to develop their gross and fine motor skills. These are other musical toys. So like I've mentioned earlier, babies like toys between 6 to 12 months that are bright and colorful and they make sound. So any kind of toy which is safe for the baby, doesn't have sharp edges, makes noises, bright, works best. This is like a rotator which really works magically. Babies love this toy. This is another caterpillar Noor has, again makes noise and can also be used later on when babies learn to walk by pulling it. These are again some toys that make sound, and this I am sure you've seen earlier in my post. This doesn't have battery anymore, but babies love this. Again, this makes a sound. All of them don't have batteries. This is another driving kind of a console where the baby can drive. There are indicators. And this, I will tell you, you all must buy this. This is Noor's favorite toy till date, and this is a battery operated toy. It moves like this, and Noor loves this. The next category of toys are these music toys again, but these are in the form of pianos and have lots of buttons. So between 6 to 12 months of age, babies love buttons because they are developing their pincer grasp, and they're learning the use of their fingers, especially the index finger. So they love to use their index finger and press buttons, and all of these actually serve this purpose. This is a musical bus, a lovely thing. It can stand also like this and has lots of buttons of animal sounds and numbers. Then we have another kind of piano here. So if you press this, this makes noise. This is another Fisher-Price piano, which Noor loves. This is another toy again with buttons and sounds, and she loves to press them. Similar toy is this, and these are musical sound books which I have shown a lot of times, which play music and have buttons whenever you open them. So this is still a hit with Noor, all of these. The next set of toys are a little towards the educational side because they help babies in developing fine motor skills, gross motor skills, help in understanding logic, color coordination, shapes, textures. So these are the basic. This is the Fisher-Price stacker toy. This is another kind of stacker, but in the form of bowls. Both of these are from Fisher-Price. Then these are some links. So these are from Fun School. These are links. So you can even give this to your baby individually when they're in the high chair. It's a great way to keep your baby engaged on the high chair because they love to throw things from their high chair. So just give these individually. Either these beads are from Fisher-Price, and these links are also from Fun School. So I would recommend that you can buy it around 6 months plus, and they can go on for at least 3 to 4 years easily because their purpose continues to evolve. Similar thing with the stacker. Even though your baby will not understand at 6 months what it means and how to take out toys and everything, but eventually at around 8 or 10 month mark they can start understanding and just taking out shapes from the box, and later on after 1 year plus they can understand and learn how to put them back in this shape sorter. The next thing I have are some sensory balls. They make noise, so they have different textures, so they are great for sensory exploration. So I have 2 more toys that can really help your baby develop their fine motor skills. It's similar to a bubble wrap, and this teaches baby sensory exploration and the fact that they can actually they can learn what is cause and effect. So when they press it, it goes back. Similarly to this is an ini bin. It has textured blocks inside which have different textures, so good for sensory exploration. And as baby grows up, they can learn that they need to actually put their hand inside. These are elastics and take out things. The next set of toys here I have, you can introduce around 8 months to your baby. So these are toys that have some kind of a communication aspect to them, and they respond, especially this side. So all of them, these 3 are from Hamleys and that is from Fisher-Price. So this babies love, and this is Noor's favorite toy, even though it can sound a little scary, but actually it attracts babies. So whenever you clap in front of these make noise like this, and Noor loves this. This is a similar thing, and if you clap in front of it, it will start moving. This is another Hamleys alien. So if you talk to it, it repeats whatever you're saying. So it's a great way for babies to understand communication also, and in a fun way. This is another of Noor's favorite. This is a Fisher-Price puppy. It has various buttons on the hands, feet, heart, and it plays poems, and it talks about shapes and numbers. Then I have a couple of plasticky toys here. Even though they seem very plasticky and sharp, but they keep your baby engaged. Like how? Why? Because they dance and they sing and they play music and they have lights. I have two more toys here. This is a basic drum. This is a Little Tikes drum, and very very safe as compared to other drums available in the market. Very rounded edges. But she has shown interest in this only after 10 months. This is a xylophone. Once again, doesn't show much interest. 10-month plus, she has shown little interest. But be wary of these sticks. We don't give her these sticks actually because they can hurt the baby. So we let her play with this. Next category of toys are activity centers. So these are in the form of blocks or tables or a walker. This is from Fisher Price. Even though all of these are 6 months plus, I mean the blocks. But Noor, like I said, started showing interest only after 8 or 9 months plus. And these are her favorites. She can spend half an hour easily just playing with them. This is lots of features all around. Has music, has a shape sorter. Similar with this as well. This is available on Amazon. This is an activity table that you can start introducing when your baby has learnt to pull himself to stand, which happens around 9 or 10 months for some babies. This is also a great way to keep your baby engaged. Has lots of activities to be done here. This is the VTech push walker, and do not use it as a walker before 1 year of age or till your baby starts taking a few steps. But other than that, she loves to play with this. It has lots and lots of activities here. There's a door here, piano, there's a phone, again a shape sorter. You can also take out this activity center and keep it separately on the floor, and the baby can play with it. The next is a pickler triangle. So this is a Montessori toy. It's an open-ended toy. It can be used right from 6 months till 5 years of age. So when the baby is small, the baby can just lie down or sit inside, and you can hang toys here, like I have hung toys, and the baby can play with them. When the baby grows around 1 year or say from 10 months onwards, Noor has really used this very well to learn how to stand and sit down with proper balance. After that, around 2 years of age, babies learn how to climb these steps. And it also comes with a slide, which is not here at the moment. And around 5 years of age, babies basically use their own imagination to create tents out of this and play. So the last two toys in her collection is a very popular Jumperoo that you all have seen multiple times. I would say great toy. I mean, please don't skip buying this. I know it's a high investment, but right from 6 months till date, she is, I mean, this is a favorite thing by far. Babies learn how to jump. It has so many activities around, keeps them busy, keeps them safe inside it. They can play in it independently. You really don't need to sit with the baby for this. Lovely investment. And now she has outgrown it because she has moved to the 3rd level. There are 3 levels and it increases with the baby's height. But if you can, please try and buy this if you want a very happy baby, and look for a pre-loved one if you cannot go for a brand new one, just like I did. This is a pre-loved one. The last thing is a tiny swimming pool that you can actually buy for your baby. And babies love water. Mostly all babies love water. Just put them in this with a few bath toys and plastic toys, and they can have lots and lots of independent fun for a very long time. So this was the end of Noor's 6 to 12 month toy collection. Please note that in case you're interested to buy any of these toys, I have linked them in my Amazon storefront, the link for which you can find in my Instagram bio. But in case you still don't find any particular toy that you see in the video, please reach out to me and I'll help you out with it. Thank you.